During Golden Minecart's messenger call, I am pleased to inform that the services...
Hi guys, so we are at Cromwell Lane Level Crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe and Golden Minecart.
...are working very well.
There we go, time is 19:51 on Friday the 2nd of October 2004. Hour 19:51, 1 Sierra 30, Virgin Trains East Coast Service Nullicus Cross at Edinburgh. What do you mean, whereabouts is your office, by the way? So I can ask my dad to drop me off there.
It's at, 3A Welby Street.
Welby Street. Is that on Dysart Road?
It's just off Dysart Road.
Ah, you had to send me a postcode or something. I bet your dad will know it, but...
Just let me speak, please.
Oh, sorry. Go on.
Just come up the big roundabout, or should I say a square about.
Is that the Asda roundabout?
It looks like a roundabout. It's just other roads that are in a one-way section. You just go to the junction, but it goes left and right. But you also turn left, which goes down the main street.
Yeah.
Then you turn right, and you'll be in 3A Welby Street.
Okay, I've never heard of Welby Street, but I'll have to look for it.
Yeah, and the office will be on your left, where there's a flower shop.
Okay. So do you want me to meet you there, or do you want me to meet on the station?
You can either be there or the station. It doesn't really matter to me.
Alright, here comes the train.
Did you get the good evening, welcome to Joan Golden Minecart's messenger call thing on video?
Yeah.
As soon as you started.
No, but I got to about messenger call when I started.
Yeah.
We've got 9124 to 82, 201 to Edinburgh, and why is it going so slow? We're staying for our 1955. Hang on a minute, I'm going to the 12s. We wait for our 1956 1 Delta 27 Virgin Trains East Coast Service from the Lucas Cross to Bradford Forster Square.
Wow. When the trains went to Bradford Interchange.
I've got my iPod light on this time, as you can see. I'm shining it on my phone.
What if Virgin Trains East Coast went to Bradford Interchange?
I don't think it does. I don't know if Bradford Interchange is electric. If it wasn't, they'd send diesels down there, like HSTs.
Diesel for class 43 HSTs.
Yes, I know, but is Bradford Interchange electric?
What, Bradford Interchange?
Yeah.
It's
Here she is.
Electric. I just looked at videos of Bradford Interchange and it's not electric.
Okay.
Because it's ran by Northern and Grand Central.
Grand Central service to Bradford Interchange. Calling it Doncaster, Wakefield Kirkgate, Murfield, Halifax and Bradford Interchange.
But would it be nice to have Virgin Trains East Coast HSTs, which are class 43?
Yes.
To go to Bradford Interchange.
Well, we don't really need them if they have Grand Central's going down there, do you? Sunderland isn't electric, is it?
I don't think so. So are you excited about tomorrow?
You don't know how excited I am about tomorrow.
Eh?
You don't know how excited I am about tomorrow. Here she is. We've got 91.30. 91.130. 82 212 to Bradford Forster Square, and up they go.
Which crossing are you at?
Cromwell Lane.
Cromwell Lane. Have we been there?
Yes, we have. Thanks, guys. We'll see you in the next video.